for watching these videos. In this video, I am explaining the definite integrals MZ problems, and this is the video number 7. And the students who will follow these videos will definitely get very good marks in the coming MZ examination. So all of you watch the videos, make the notes, practice the sums, okay. And in the description, I am giving the link of the definite integrals PDF practice problems. So all of you after watching the video, once open the description and see the PDF and solve those questions also. Those are also very important problems. Okay, let us start the class. This is sum number 69. Given that f of x is equal to f of a minus 6 and g of x plus g of a minus 6 is equal to 2, then what is the value of the integral 0 to a f of x into g of x? Okay, these two conditions are given. We want this value. Okay, let us start the solution. So this is equals to, so first we take that here f of x into, what is g of x value? 2 minus g of a minus 6. From this equation, g of x is equal to 2 minus g of a minus 6. I am writing that value here, 2 minus g of a minus 6 into dx. Okay, and this is equals to integral 0 to a, multiplying the values here. So this is 2 into f of x minus f of x into g of a minus 6 into dx. Now separating the integration to both of the terms here. So the first term is 2 into integral 0 to a f of x, okay, into dx minus integral 0 to a f of x into g of a minus x into dx, and this is equals to, this value is equals to 2 into integral 0 to a f of x into dx minus integral 0 to a, what is f of x value given that f of x is equal to f of a minus 6, f of a minus 6 into g of a minus 6 into dx, okay, and this is equals to 2 into integral 0 to a f of x into dx minus, now I take here a minus 6 is equal to t, okay, a minus 6 is equal to t means dx is equal to minus dt, of course minus dx is equal to dt, then dx is equal to minus dt. Now what are the limits values? X is equal to 0, here the lower limit is x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 means a minus 0, that is t is equal to a, that is first limit is equal to a here, and x is equal to a, x is equal to a means what is t value? T is equal to 0, okay, into f of t into g of t into minus dt, f of t into g of t into minus dt. Now removing this minus sign and changing this limits values as 0 to a here. So this is equals to 2 into integral 0 to a f of x into dx minus, just removing this minus sign and changing the limits value. So the limits are changed as integral 0 to a f of t into g of t into dt, okay, and therefore what is the answer? Now the answer of this part is equals to, here we can change the variable here, the two values are same here. Now writing this value to this side, now minus of minus becomes plus, that is the answer is 2 into integral 0 to a f of x into g of x into dx is equals to 2 into integral 0 to a f of x into dx. Therefore the answer is equal to integral 0 to a f of x into dx. Okay, this is the answer, and which is the third option. So here first we take the given question, and in the given question we replace the g of x value. What is g of x? 2 minus g of a minus x. Okay, after that taking the product here and separating the integration. After that again here we have the condition and replacing that value here, and after that taking that a minus x is equal to t. Finally we get the answer. This is equals to integral 0 to a f of x into dx. That's all, and that is the third option. Now the next problem is sum number 70, integral 0 to 1 log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x square into dx. Now to solve this question, first I replace the x is equal to tan theta in the given question. Then what is dx value? Dx is equal to secant square theta into d theta. Okay, now this is equals to x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 means tan theta is equal to 0, that is theta is equal to 0. Okay, and x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 means tan theta is equal to 1, that is theta is equal to pi by 4. These are the limits of the theta. Okay, therefore integral 0 to pi by 4. Now substituting the values here, log of 1 plus tan theta by, just we are taking that x is equal to tan theta. by 1 plus x is equal to tan theta, tan square theta into dx value secant square theta into d theta. Now here secant square theta gets cancelled. What is 1 plus tan square? This is equal to secant square. Now the question becomes integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta into d theta. Okay. Now the direct formula for this question is equals to pi by 8 log 2. Okay. Just remember this formula. Just remember this value as the formula. Integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta into d theta is equals to pi by 8 log 2. That's all. And this is the second option. That's all. Next problem is on number 71. Integral minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 log of cos x plus sin x into dx. Okay. So first I take that given question is equals to I, and this is the equation 1. Okay. And in the next step I apply the formula f of x into dx is equals to integral minus a to a f of x into dx is equals to integral, what is this value, f of sum of the limits minus x, that is a minus x into dx. Okay, just applying this formula integral minus a to a f of x dx is equals to integral minus a to a f of a minus x plus the sum of the limits minus x. Then what we get, that is I is equals to integral minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 log of, what is this value, minus a to a integral minus a to a f of minus x dx, that is replacing that x is equal to minus 6. So cos of minus x is equal to cos x and sin of minus x is equal to minus sin x. Okay. Just I apply the formula integral minus a to a f of x dx is equals to integral minus a to a f of minus x dx. Okay, that is replacing that x is equal to minus x. Cos of minus x is equal to cos x. Sin of minus x is equal to minus sin x, and this is equation 2. Now adding these two equations, that is I plus I, 2I is equals to, now writing the same integration symbol here, minus pi by 4 to pi by 4, first value plus second value, that is log of cos x plus sin x plus log of cos x minus sin x. Okay, first value plus second value, log of cos x plus sin x plus log of cos x minus sin x into dx. Now this is in the form of log a plus log b, that is log ab. Log ab means log of cos x plus sin x into cos x minus sin x. What is cos x plus sin x into cos x minus sin x? That is cos square x minus sin square x into dx, and that value is equal to cos 2x. Cos square x minus sin square x is equals to cos 2x. So this question becomes the 2I is equals to integral minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 log of cos 2x into dx. Okay. Now in the next step I take that this is equals to, since this is the even function, cos of 2 into minus x is equal to cos 2x. Cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. So since this is the even function, I take that this value is equals to 2 into integral 0 to pi by 4. Okay. Since minus a to a becomes 2 into integral 0 to a, since this is the even function. So this value is equal to log of cos 2x into dx. Now here 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Now in the next step, I take that 2x is equal to t here. Okay. Then what is 2 into dx? That is equals to dt. Therefore the value of I is equals to x is equal to 0 means t is equal to 0. 2 into 0 is equal to 0. X is equal to pi by 4. 2 into pi by 4, that is pi by 2. So t is equal to pi by 2. And this is log of cos t into dt by 2. Okay. This value is equal to dt by 2. And the most important formula is equals to integral 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x into dx is equal to minus pi by 2 log 2. This is a very important formula. Integral 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x into dx is equal to minus pi by 2 log 2. Minus pi by 2 log 2. Okay. Now this value, what is the constant here? 1 by 2. Writing the constant before the integration, what is the remaining value? This is nothing but in the form of integral 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x into dx. So that part answer is equals to minus pi by 2 log 2. So the final answer is equals to minus pi by 4 log 2. Okay, that's all. And this is the third option. Next question, sum number 72, integral 0 to pi log of sin 2x into dx. Okay, listen. So to solve this question, first we have to find the value f of pi by 2 minus x. What is that value? log of sine 2 into pi by 2 minus 6. 2 into pi by 2 minus 6 is equal to pi minus 2x. Okay. 2 into pi by 2 minus 6, that is pi minus 2x. Here this is equals to log of sine 2x, that is the value of the f of pi by 2 minus 6 is equal to log of sine 2x, which is nothing but the given quotient. Now we convert the given quotient is equals to integral 0 to pi by 2 log of sine 2x into dx is equals to, the formula is 2 into integral 0 to pi by 4. Okay, just we take the half of the limit value here, pi by 2 pi 2 pi by 4, and here we take 2 value. So 2 into integral 0 to pi by 4 log of sine 2x into dx. Okay, now in the next step I take the 2x is equal to t. 2x is equal to t means 2 into dx is equal to dt. Now the quotient becomes 2 into integral x is equal to 0 means t is equal to 0. X is equal to pi by 4 means t is equal to 2 pi by 4, that is pi by 2, into log of sine 2x is equal to t into dx value dt by 2. Now here 2 and 2 gets cancelled, so the remaining value is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 log of sine t into dt, and the formula for this one is equals to minus pi by 2 log 2. Okay, integral 0 to pi by 2 log of sine t dt or integral 0 to pi by 2 log of cos t dt, whatever the function, either cos or sine, the answer is equals to minus pi by 2 log 2, and this is the most important formula. That's all. This is the answer, which is the second option. Next question, sub number 73. Integral 0 to pi x into f of sin x into dx is equal to k into integral 0 to pi f of sin x into dx. Then what is k value? Okay. So first I take that this value is equal to I. The quotient first value is equal to I. So I is equals to integral 0 to pi f of sin x into dx, and I replace that x is equal to pi minus 6 in the given quotient. Okay. Here the limit is equals to pi, that is replacing that x by pi minus 6 into f of sine of pi minus x is equal to sin x. Sine of 180 minus x is equal to sin x. So directly I take that this value is equals to f of sin x. Okay. Now multiplying the values here, then we get 0 to pi, integral 0 to pi into f of sin x into dx minus integral 0 to pi x into f of sin x into dx. Okay, just multiplying the two values here. Now I is equal to this value, that is I is equal to integral 0 to pi into f of sin x into dx minus, what is this value? This is nothing but the given quotient, that is equals to I. Okay, so I plus I, 2I is equals to, writing the constant before the integration, that is pi into integral 0 to pi f of sin x into dx. Okay, now I replace the x is equals to pi minus 6 in the function. Then what we get, f of pi minus 6 is equals to f of sine of pi minus 6. Again that returns the value sin x. Okay, sine of pi minus 6, sine 180 minus 6 is equal to sin x. And what is f of sin x? That is equals to given function here. So we apply the formula here. This is equals to 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2. 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 f of sin x into dx. Now this is nothing but 2I value. Therefore the value of I is equals to pi into integral 0 to pi by 2 f of sin x into dx. Okay. Now what is given? Given that the answer is equals to k into this value, but here we get pi into this value. Now by comparing these two values, we get that the value of k is equal to pi. That's all. That is the answer, and that is the second option. Next question, sum number 74. Integral 2 to 3 2 minus x by square root of 5x minus 6 minus x square into dx. Okay. Now this is equals to integral 2 to 3. So first I take minus common from the numerator, that is minus of x minus 2 by square root of, again here also I take minus common, then what we get, the denominator value is x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay, x square minus 5x plus 6, and what are the factors to this term? X minus 2 into x minus 3. Okay, under square root of, that is under square root of this is x minus 2 into 3 minus 6. Just I am taking that minus of x minus 3, that is equal to 3 minus 6, and this is equal to writing the minus sign before the integration, that is minus integral 2 to 3. Here x minus 2 is equal to root x minus 2 into root x minus 2. Okay, x minus 2 is equal to root x minus 2 into root x minus 2, and this value is equal to root x minus 2 into root 3 minus 6. Separating the root to both of the terms. Denominator is equal to this value. This is nothing but this one, this is nothing but this one. Okay, so here root x minus 2 term is cancelled, so this is equals to integral minus integral 2 to 3 square root of, writing the single square root, that is root over x minus 2 by 3 minus x into dx. Now what is the formula for integral a to b square root of x minus a by b minus x into dx? The value is equals to pi by 2 into b minus c. Okay, this is the formula for this integration. This is the formula for this integration. Now compare these two terms here. Then what is a value? A is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3. X minus a, b minus x. X is equals to x, b is equals to 3, a is equal to 2. Okay, now what is the answer? Already here we have the minus sign, minus of pi by 2 into b minus a, that is 3 minus 2. Therefore the answer is equal to minus pi by 2, and that is the second option. That's all.